Hi, this is Mark with ValueCharts.com. We are going to take a look at a trade I initiated last night in gold, December gold contract. Basically, let me pull up the daily chart to kind of start things off here. We'll notice that, actually, let's pull up the daily here. We'll notice that on the daily chart, gold has pushed into moderately overvalued on a daily basis. And this was really my catalyst, if you will, for looking to sell short. I am actually bullish gold longer term, so this is just taking advantage of a correction I thought this market was due to experience. So essentially we've seen prices start out several weeks ago right around the low point of 1592. We're already up to $1,771 an ounce. So we've seen quite a bit of a run up here in recent weeks, in recent days, with specifically the QE3 kind of culminating the last surge in gold, reaching prices of right around 1780. So this just seems like a market that's due for a correction. I knew if I timed this entry well, then I wouldn't have to risk a lot. And essentially, I was looking at kind of a bounce back up here. I didn't get in as quickly as I wanted to because I actually wasn't in front of my computer when the market traded up into the significantly overvalued range on a 60-minute basis, but I did eventually get in a few bars later, still working with the premise that gold is or was moderately overvalued on a daily basis. So my entry price level was right around, call it 1776.50. Prices right now are at 1771.80, so I've got about call it $2,800 profit here. And I'm really holding on to this trade for a longer term down play. If we look at this market longer term, I'm going to go ahead and pull up a longer term daily chart here. We can see that we haven't really even begun to correct here. I would think that there's a possibility we could go down and test this trend line, which would take prices down maybe a total of $25 an ounce or $20 an ounce over the next several days. So this is really what I'm holding on to. I'm now in the attractive position to essentially, going back to my other screen here, put a break-even stop here in. So I've got a break-even stop, good till cancel, essentially working off of the same entry price that I got into last night. So I've seen enough of a degree of separation where I feel comfortable in placing that stop in there. Looking at momentum, the MQ momentum and MQ migration indicators down here, it looks to me like they're looking to put in some sort of a topping formation here and possibly picking up some steam on the downside over the next couple of hours. Same thing with the MQ migration. We're looking kind of at a cycle top here and projecting that we could get some increased selling off here to the downside. So we'll continue to watch this market over the upcoming days and weeks, but keep in mind that I'm actually looking to be long this market longer term, but just wanted to take advantage of a quick little potential correction that this market should experience here.